and decorate like pros.
Have you ever dreamed of making beautiful and delicious cakes that will wow your family and friends or even future clients? Now is your chance.
Join our 1 month baking and decorating program at Apex Academy Sokoto and turn your passion into skill.
This fall-filled course will learn the basics of baking cakes from vanilla to rich chocolate and strawberry cake.
Catering cake, designs and decoration. Founders cake, designs and decorations.
How to decorate cake, birthday cake and cake for special occasions.
We also give you tips on how to start your own cake business.
You don't need to have any experience, just bring your enthusiasm and creativity.
We teach in a very conducive learning environment.
We are great in what we do. We are the best around here.
We are located at Tamaji, opposite Icon.
Registration is on for our holiday class coming up 11th August 2025.
Register now as we have limited slots. Call us on this number
080 6408 6418.